Edge. Computing is transforming the industrial Internet of Things by bringing data processing closer to where it's generated. In traditional systems, data from machines is sent to centralized cloud servers for processing, which can introduce delays and rely heavily on network connectivity. With edge computing, data is processed locally, right at the source on devices, sensors, or nearby edge servers. This shift significantly reduces latency, enabling real time decision making. In industries like manufacturing, energy, transportation, and logistics, even milliseconds matter. Edge computing allows systems to respond instantly to changes, improving efficiency, product quality, and safety while reducing costly downtime. In a smart factory, sensors continuously monitor machine performance, tracking temperature, vibration, and pressure. If an anomaly is detected, such as a spike in heat or unusual vibration patterns, edge devices can instantly trigger alerts or take automated action. Edge devices can automatically slow down or shut off equipment to help prevent failures before they happen. This keeps production running smoothly and reduces the risk of costly downtime. Another key advantage is bandwidth optimization because industrial environments generate massive amounts of data every second. Instead of sending all raw data to the cloud, edge computing processes it locally and sends only relevant insights. This reduces network congestion and lowers data transmission costs. Security and data privacy are improved by keeping sensitive data closer to its source, reducing exposure during transmission. This is especially important in critical industries like healthcare, energy, and infrastructure. Edge computing also supports scalability. So, as IIoT networks grow, relying only on centralized systems becomes inefficient. Processing data at the edge ensures consistent performance as operations expand and improves reliability. Systems can continue operating even with limited or no internet connectivity since decisions are made locally rather than depending on the cloud. Combining edge computing with artificial intelligence unlocks more potential by enabling models at the edge to analyze patterns and predict failures in real time. Edge AI can optimize processes continuously so systems learn and improve over time. Edge computing is not just an enhancement to IIoT but a foundational technology for faster insights, smarter automation, and more resilient industrial systems.